Hi class, today we're going to be learning about Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are when you're comparing and contrasting two objects. Today we'll be using our vocabulary skills and Venn diagram. First, you will be starting off with drawing two circles. The outer areas are where you will be comparing two subjects, and the middle area is where you'll have a vocabulary term. Today, we're going to be talking about famine. Famine, to me, means hunger. What do you guys think of when you think of famine?
No food.
Perfect. What else do you guys think of when you think about famine?
Starvation.
Starvation. Anything else?
Scarce.
Great. Today we're going to be looking at two subjects to compare and contrast, and we'll be talking about the Holocaust and the Great Depression. Using the Venn diagram, both the Holocaust and the Great Depression share famine, which again, famine we defined as hunger, no food, starvation, and scarce. What do the Holocaust and the Great Depression differ in? The Holocaust was in Europe. Class, where was the Great Depression?
In America.
The Great Depression was also in the 1930s. What about the Holocaust?
1940s.
Okay, 1940s. Let's see, who was in charge of the Holocaust? That would be
Hitler.
Hitler. Good job. And for the Great Depression,
the president was
President Hoover. Also, let's go and see what the difference was in the economy. Was the problem with the Great Depression? What was the problem with the Holocaust?
Racism.
Racism. Perfect. So here we have our example of a Venn diagram with our new vocabulary term in the middle, which is famine. We also have Holocaust and Great Depression, so altogether there's three subjects on our Venn diagram that we are comparing and contrasting. The importance of a Venn diagram is to use vocabulary, new vocabulary terms, and to compare and contrast things. Also, it's a great way for students to see it visually if they're more of a visual learner.